Meet the Poly Studio USB, a plug-and-play conferencing solution tailor-made for medium-sized rooms. With a 4K camera and 120-degree field of view, the Studio USB is designed for mid-sized meeting spaces, ensuring nobody gets left out of the action. No IT department? Setup is a snap. Plug in the power, connect the USB cable from Studio USB to your laptop. Use the table stand or the optional wall mount. Connect an HDMI cable and you're good to go. Select Studio USB in your conferencing platform. With PolyDirector AI, you can leave the camera work to us. Studio USB can automatically frame a group, focus on individual speakers, or track a presenter in real time. Put noisy disruptions on mute with Poly Acoustic Fence and Noise Block AI, ensuring distraction-free meetings. Don't miss a word with powerful stereo speakers and an advanced microphone array that captures everyone's voice clearly from up to 15 feet. Poly Studio USB. We focus on the technology, so you can focus on collaboration.